welcome along to another EA Global AI tutorial. I'm logged into our tutorial space, and today we're going to be finding answers and responses that have been assigned to us for review. So, I'm logged in, I'm in the autofill tab, and as you can see, I have two different forms in progress here, an ESG questionnaire and another ESG questionnaire. I have been emailed, I've had my email notification, and I need to review something in the ESG questionnaire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, and I'm going to see the in review questions. If I were to click to assign, this would show me only questions that hadn't been assigned for review, so I want to look at the in review ones. I can click here, and after a couple of seconds, it will show me only the questions that have been assigned to me. So, Hugh, EA. If there was more than one person, what I'd be able to do is just click on my name here, and this would show me only the answers and responses that were assigned to me. What I can then do is review as normal by going into the review. I can make edits, or I can use the Scratchpad Mini Beta, or I can generate the answer. But crucially, what I can do is click Review Complete, and this will go to someone else, or I can click Approve and Next. For now, I'm just going to leave it. But what we can always do once I've come out of this is I can go and view all of the unassigned questions as well to see how we're getting on with the overall form. So these are filters at the top. If I click on these buttons, when I click unassigned and I take off my name, we'll be able to see all of the questions that have been answered, and we'll be able to see the assigned reviewer in the column on the right here. If I take off in review, it will only show us those that are unassigned, and I can also show those that have been reviewed, those that are based on previous responses, and those that are approved. If you have any questions or any queries, please use the Get Help button in the bottom left hand corner. Thank you very much.